Hi all, welcome to my channel. So today we can see about this static equilibrium equations. So static equilibrium equations. So we can see about the static equilibrium equations. So before that we can consider what? Before that we can consider this beam. Okay, so in this beam we okay, so there is a fixed support like this, but really there is no horizontal or this vertical reaction possible, but we are assuming that what there is a horizontal and this vertical reaction, so we are considering it as what general load. And okay, so I'm assuming there is a fixed support acting a point load at this point load P, and there is a vertical load also. So what there will be, already there will be this horizontal and this vertical reaction, and there will be moment also. So here we can write this word for this equilibrium equations. We can write the summation of this H equal to 0, summation of this V equal to 0, summation of this M equal to 0. Why I have written H is because for the load here there is a reaction. So here it is equal to this, and there is a vertical support, vertical load which is acting. So for that this will be balanced out. Okay. Then talking about a moment, so if it is a L, so and if it is P, so PL moment will be created, and this moment already is acting as a reaction. So clockwise equal to anti-clockwise. So these are called what? So these are called nothing but this equilibrium equations. Equilibrium equations. Okay, so this equilibrium equations can be represented by what? It's your interest what symbol. So in some textbooks it's represented as S. So here there are what this equilibrium equations, what is the number of equilibrium equations? So summation of H equal to 0, summation of V equal to 0, summation of M equal to 0. So S equal to 3 you can see here. Okay, so now I am considering a fixed load which is acting a moment here. Same scenario, but there is a no horizontal load. So the difference between these two will be what? So there will be reaction happening like this, but to balance this horizontal load only, here I have written like this, but here what is happening is there is no horizontal load. So what you'll be doing, so as there is no horizontal load, we will be writing, so there is vertical, so summation of V equal to 0. Okay, I'm done with that. And for moment also I am also getting this, because there should be like this. So for this if you should consider for this horizontal, it should be like this. If there should be a low, there should be a horizontal load also to balance this reaction. Okay, so here only you can write summation of V equal to 0 and summation of this M equal to 0, that is clockwise moment equal to anti-clockwise moment. Here you can write as what? S equal to 2, that is S is nothing but this number of this equilibrium equation. So okay, so both are fixed, but this equilibrium equation is what? Different. So equilibrium equation is different. So in this two, it both depends on this what? So depends on what? It both depends on this type of load, or we can say what? Or we can just say about load. Okay, next is about this number of this unknown reactions. So this is unknown reactions, right? We should find all these reactions. So here what is the number of reactions? Here what is the number of reaction? Here it is 3. Here what is the number of reactions? Summation of equal to 0, summation of this M equal to 0. Here the number of reactions will be what? Number of reactions will be 2. Okay. Next we can move to this pin support, that is pin joint, hinged, and we can move another beams. So simply supported beams, so one end fixed and one end is roller. So here what I am having is there will be two reactions. Okay, so here don't consider like a summation of this V or M, don't consider like that. Okay, so here you can see that summation of H equal to 0, summation of this V equal to 0, summation of this M equal to 0. Here S equal to 3 and R equal to 3. But if there is a load acting only, but this scenario will be different with this already present. But if there is some load, external load is acting, there should be something to balance. There we can write summation of this V equal to 0, summation of this M equal to 0, because this vertical load creates what? Creates a moment. Okay, here there is nothing to balance this horizontal, so we should cancel this. So there should not be any what? There should not be any summation of H equal to 0, and there will be moment. So here what is the difference? S equal to 2 and R equal to 2. Okay, next support we can see is about, okay, let's consider this fixed at both ends. It's fixed. Here also same, there is vertical, horizontal. Okay, so there is, here it's very simple, it's same like this only. So summation of this H equal to 0, summation of V equal to 0, and summation of this M equal to 0. So from this you can say that what? The number of equilibrium condition is 3, And what about the reactions? So reactions, here there is 3 reactions, and here also there is 3 reactions. So reactions, I can write it as what? 6. But the same scenario like this. If a load is acting, extra load is acting to this, what's happening? Extra load is acting like this. So there will be a vertical also. So if extra load is acting, there is no horizontal. So you can say that this, you can say. You can't say the summation of this h equal to 0. You can write summation of equal to 0, summation of the m equal to 0. We can write these two. Talking about the reaction S equal to what? S equal to 2, because there is only 2 equilibrium equation. And next is about this reactions. So what about the reactions? How many reactions here present here? What? Here it will be what? This horizontal you should not consider. Without considering what? 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 plus 2 what? 4. Okay, so number of this horizontal here not consider. Here I am not considering about this what horizontal, because there is no horizontal external load is acting. So that then only it will be balancing, right? Next, okay, next we can see if it's fixed like this. Here it's fixed, very plainly it is fixed, flat member we can say. Here this is flat member, but here it is what? Curve member. In curve member, what is happening? If in this flat member which is subjected to general loading means what? It will be horizontal and this vertical reaction. Then we want to consider what? Horizontal reaction and horizontal equilibrium equation. But in this flat member, if they have mentioned this general, these are all general loading. But if they have mentioned that pure vertical load means what? Then this should be neglected. If this is pure vertical load, then you should not consider this horizontal reaction. Okay, next about this curve member. So about this curve member, we need to check the loading. First, what we want to do is there any load or no? But in plane member, we are going to check this loading. But here, there is no need to check the loading. We want to just what? We want to check this loading if it is flat. So if it is flat, we want to see, okay, whether loading is there or not, whether loading is there or not. But for this curved, it is not necessary to check like this. Got it? So if another load is acting, so this is an external load is acting. Okay, so how you will be writing a summation of this h equal to 0 you can write, v equal to 0 you can write, summation of this m equal to 0 you can write. And what is this number of equilibrium equation? It is 3. Number of reactions are what? How many reactions are present here? So how many reactions? Just imagine that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reactions. Very simple if you understand these things very clearly. You should understand these things. Next we can see about another example, which is fixed as well as there is simply spotted like this. Here what will be here? Already we know that this will be there, and here, okay, so this is a question. Answer is to find if this is a general load. So this is a general load, assume that, because you will be having this horizontal reaction. If you assume only it's general load only, you'll be having this horizontal reaction. So here what is happening is, here what are the equilibrium equations? So here the equilibrium equations of this reactions is to be found out. So summation of this h equal to 0, summation of v equal to 0, summation of m equal to 0. S equal to what? Number of reaction is what? 3. Number of reaction is what? 3. Next, what will be the reactions? So just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 3, here 3. That is 6, and here 7. Okay, so just take that. Here reaction is what? 8. I'm considering the same question, but I'm considering what external load I'm considering. I'm considering external load with the same question. So what's happening is, here, okay, so here instead of fixed, we can see what? Here we can see this vertical. So here we can see this vertical guided roller instead of that. So here you'll be having one moment only. So 1, 2. Here there should not be consideration of this horizontal force and reaction. That is summation of this h equal to 0. You should not consider summation of v equal to 0 and summation of this m equal to 0. So reaction is what? So how many reactions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reactions are there. But we are not considering this horizontal. So 6 minus 1 what? 5. Here it's pure vertical load. So what? We are just neglecting the loads, that is horizontal load. We are just neglecting because there is no horizontal load. So horizontal reaction is also not considered. Okay, next we can see about the static equilibrium equation of the structures. Okay, so structures, we can see some 3D structures, we can see about this frames, space frames, and we can see about this rigid joint frames, pin joint frames. We have already discussed about what is pin joint plane frames and what is rigid jointed plane frames. Already we have discussed this in our class. In our classes we have already discussed. So if you have not seen that, just go through that video. You will get understanding of what is pin jointed frame and what is rigid jointed frame. So first we can see about the pin jointed frame. So so this is pin jointed frames. Okay, here you can see. Okay, so here it's 2D. So 2D pin jointed frame. Here what will be the reactions? I have just sorry. Consider. Okay, I'll draw it once again. Sorry, my handwriting is little bad, so please don't mind it. And okay, so this is 2D. So this is what? So this is nothing but the spin jointed plane frame. Here what is happening is, here there is two and okay, so there is three reactions. Okay, so before getting into the reactions, we can see about the supports only. So here the summation of this fx equal to 0, summation of this fy equal to 0, and summation of this fz equal to 0. Instead of fz, because it's 2D frames, there is no z. So, and summation of this moment equal to 0. If it's for the spin jointed, if it's for the spin jointed space frame, it's for the spin jointed space frame. So this is what? So pin jointed space frame. If this is for the spin jointed space frame. So here I forgot to tell about this reactions. Number of equilibrium equations 1, 2, 3. So it will be 3. And here what will be happening is, as it is space frame, so it will be having in three directions: summation of fx equal to 0, summation of fy equal to 0, summation of this fz equal to 0, summation of mx equal to 0, and summation of this my equal to 0, summation of mz equal to 0. So s equal to what? The number of directions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. Okay, got it. Next, if you consider something like this, fixed like this. So this is nothing but this. Here it is, this is rigid joint plane frame. Here it is nothing but this rigid joint plane frame. Here what is happening? Summation of this fx equal to 0, summation of this fy equal to 0, summation of this fz equal to 0. Here s equal to 3. For the space frame, what is happening? So I'm just here also summation of this fx equal to 0, summation of this fy equal to 0, summation of this fz equal to 0, summation of this mx equal to 0, summation of this my equal to 0, summation of this mz equal to 0. So s equal to what? S equal to 6 you can write. Because how it's 6? Because there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is the number of this equilibrium equations. Next we can find the static equilibrium equations of what we can find about this joint. Okay, so we can find about the static equilibrium equation of joints we can found. So the same pin joint support, so same pin joint support, I am going to find this place only. So this is a joint, right? So here what is happening? Here also it will rotate the summation of fx equal to 0, summation of this fy equal to 0. And what is this reaction? S equal to 2. And next, if it is space pin jointed space frame, for the spin jointed phase frame, what's happening is summation of fx equal to 0, summation of this fy equal to 0, and summation of this fz equal to 0. Here the reaction is what? 3. That is number of equilibrium equations is 3. For this rigid joint frame, here also what? Here we are considering this only. Here this only we are considering. Here one joint only we are considering. Here also it will be what? Summation of this fx equal to 0, summation of this fy equal to 0, summation of fz equal to 0, and this m equal to 0. And fx, fy, fz. Okay, here there will be 3 reactions. Here I have done a mistake. Just note it. There won't be summation of this fz equal to 0 because it's 2D only, right? So if it is for 3D, then 3D space frame, then you can see the summation of fx, fy, fz 0. Next to summation of mx, my, mz 0. Next we can see about the space frame. Okay, so if a structure is like this, So we have studied this is this A stress or the spin jointed frames. We have already studied this now. Okay, just see how it is. Okay, so I'm considering this D point. So D means what? So there is one plate and gusset plate is in one gusset plate. The four I have already discussed about this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 members is attached on what? On one gusset plate. So what is happening is, if all the centroid force are concurrent force, so if all the forces acting on this are concurrent force, then what will happen is it will not develop. Here there is axial force, it will produce axial force but not moment. So like if I take only one pin joint also, that member, it will also create that. Okay, so next